And what is a watermark?
It's like it's a yeah, I don't know how to. It's like used to show
Mm-hmm.
you. It's made by this like
Okay.
person or group.
Okay. So it's more like it's more like part of the design of the page. That is why you went to the design tab and it's about the background. So if you check the watermark, you could click on it, deselect the watermark. Then you will see
Yeah.
that we have page background group. Now I want you to take your time.
Well, okay.
Look at the group. Look at the group. Within the
Mm-hmm.
page background because we are dealing with the background of the page. That is why you go to the design page background group. Now you have watermark and you're looking for a predefined, so meaning there is a template there that you can use, predefined sample 2. So you need to look for predefined sample 2. It's named sample 2. So where's your sample 2? Sample 2. You
Oh,
found it.
what I
Oh,
said? Oh, yes. Here it was just
yes,
saying.
that is it. So once you click on it, that watermark, yeah, that's it. Okay, so you can check. So why are you doing this? What's
So when
the
you click
rationale
on it,
behind this? Uh-huh.
it will direct you to that
Website.
website.
Well done. Move on to the next task.
Thank you.
Well done. So you need to complete all the 58 tasks before you sleep today. Okay?
Oh, create a continuous section that would only contain that would only contain the yellow highlights highlighted as and the
Moderate
statistics.
margin. Mhm. So what's your
What do
understanding of
you,
this task?
well, I understand the margin part, but I don't know what do you mean what do you mean continuous? Am I
Okay.
supposed to highlight?
Okay, so let me explain. If you apply the moderate margin, it will affect the entire page. Okay. And we don't want that to happen. So what we want to do is set continuous section breaks. Okay. That will enable us apply the margin to that particular block of what paragraph, which is the yellow highlighted text. Okay. So what we will do is we will put our cursor at the beginning of the yellow highlighted text, which is the A. Then we will insert a continuous section break. And this has to do with the layout of the page. So we go to the layout tab, then we have breaks at the top, and we insert continuous. So once you insert, it's inserted, but you won't see it because it is a non-printing character.
Okay.
Now you go to the end of the yellow highlighted text and we insert another continuous section break.
Mm.
It's been inserted. So if you want to see the non-printing character, you go back to home, go back to the home tab. Now you see the show hide button within the paragraph group, top right corner of the paragraph group,
Top right.
of
Oh,
the paragraph group. I'm talking about groups here. So we have the clipboard group, the font group, the paragraph group. The group names are beneath.
oh, her.
So top right corner of the paragraph group, top right, that is the show button. Hit it,
Oh,
click on it. Now you see
oh.
section break continuous, section break continuous. So it means you were successful in what? In setting the section breaks. So
Yeah.
now you select the yellow highlighted text, only the yellow highlighted text, and you apply the moderate margin. And I believe you know where to go to find the margin. So moderate. So you see the moderate margin would only affect the yellow highlighted text, not the entire page. So now
Okay.
I'll need you to switch back to Teams so that we end the session, but you're still going to continue. So I want you to finish with all the 50 8 questions. You've done 12 now. Yeah? So go back to
Okay.
Teams. Then I think That should be it. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to end the meeting. So
Okay.
just update me on WhatsApp when you finish with it, all the questions. Okay.
Okay. Bye, sir.
Bye.